Hello guys, how are you? Hope all is well. Welcome to my channel to another video. I'm going to make a very short video, and today's video it's all about showing you a bot that I'm in the process of finishing up creating, and I'm just going to explain a concept, and then when the bot is ready I'm going to make an updated video and tell you how you can get the bot. I'm going to give out this bot for free for a start, so just hit on the subscribe button and then I will tell you how to go about it, how to get the bot for free. So again, we are going to click on this folder icon, then come to my computer, then we are going to load the bot. Now we've loaded the bot, and here we are going to pick on the market. You can decide to go with the rise and fall, but first I always advise check on the market and see if things are good with the market, and if things are good you can try and trade. Now let's just test it out with this. The concept is that when the bot loses, it's going to multiply by 2. That's the Martingale. The initial stake is 2, but the good thing is that when it loses, let's say it loses up to 3 times in a row, so it's going to multiply by 4, by 8, and by 16. When on 16, when it makes the $16 investment, when you win that trade, instead of going to immediately to the initial of 2, it's going to divide by 2 and go back to 8. When it wins, it goes like that. So we are going to use this as an example. As you can see, we are losing 3 times. Let's watch on the next one. We see if we are going to make some money. Actually, I'm trading on my virtual account. Now we've made some profit with that. Now instead of going back to the initial $2 as the stake, it's going to divide by 2 by 2 by 2 until it gets to our initial stake. This helps you in terms of making some cash back and maintaining most of your profit. But when it loses before getting to your initial stake, what it's going to do, it's going to continue multiplying the loss amount by 2. So if here it had lost at 4, it's going to multiply that 4 by 2. It's not going to start with our initial stake. So this bot is called the reverse bot, and it's going to behave like this until as we do some good money. And from here you can see we've had 6 losses and 5 wins, but our profit is maintained very well. Now at 23, it's going to pick 4. Let's see if we are going to make it. We've lost that amount. So I believe you've basically understood the concept. The concept is that when you lose, your stake multiplies, but when you win the trade, your stake divides by the same 2, thus giving you more profits. Now we are at loss. Let's see if we are going to make some money. Now now it's going to go back to 16. It's kind of the reverse Martingale, trying to recover. Yes, we've recovered here, but it's kind of going to do this so that we can see if we can make some good money. So let's see if we are going to make that. Then I just stop, because basically that's the concept I wanted to explain. You can see there are a lot I haven't added, the stop loss, the take profit, and all that. I still haven't added those because I'm in the process of creating and making this concept. So it's not going to stop, because I'm still yet to have a Martingale factor and all that. I'm yet to have to input that into this, so it's basically going to continue like this. So I believe I would want to stop there. Let's see, let me just stop there. If it loses, if it goes well, yeah. So you can see we are at $151. Now the good thing with this bot is that by the time it gets to our initial stake of 2, we will have made a lot of cash here. Yes, we will have made some low winnings, but in terms of the return, the returns are going to be good. So I'm just going to clear this and close. So I was saying, even before starting to trade, always check on the charts depending on the kind of trade that you want to take. And let's just use the candles, and let's spread this. Now as you can see here, it indicates that it might go on a fall. So it's best to use the chart to check and decide on which trend you would want to go with. So this trend, this one block candlestick represents a minute time frame. So with this 1 minute, if you see a downtrend, it's good to, you can enter fall. Like fall is to fall beneath. Let's see if we can try it and see how it goes. As you can see, it has changed the trend, but we are going to go with that and see if our winnings are going to be more than our losses. Now when you see this candle, in any candle, when you see this sharp, it indicates a turn of events, and you can see the turn is that it's going on a rise. So I don't know, let's see if we are going to make only one entry, then we just leave. You can see, that's what I was trying to mean. Always use the chart to analyze the trades, because you might make a lot of losses. So we've made all these losses because you can see the candle immediately changed to rise, indicating that the chart is going to rise. So that is the concept I wanted to explain to you, and immediately the bot is good and it's good to go, and I test it, I see it's fine. I'm going to release it to you and explain it to you on the next video on how you can get it. So thank you for watching this video. God bless you and have a wonderful evening. Thank you. See you on the next one.